on vogue to be a minimalist today, but it's also frightening for some people. And also inevitable that the minimalism is followed by some stereotypes, like you have to have almost no possessions, a certain dress code, much white, something black, something wooden, and a minimalistic plant. Wait, this one is not a minimalistic plant. That one is a plant of a real minimalist. Sometimes I'm getting the comments that despite I like everything neat and tidy, I'm not a minimalist. You see, minimalism is not a religion. It's a style of life, different from person to person. And my style of minimalism is to have enough. Not too much, not too less, and be happy about it. So today I'm showing my way how to know when it's enough and how to live minimal, not going crazy. Find the sweet number which works for you. For instance, for the kitchen belongings like cups, plates, glasses, our sweet number is 8. So we more or less turning around it. On a practical side, our mugs have no handles, so they take less storage space. And the tip, store the bigger into a smaller one, that's preventing them from getting stuck one in another. We got the cutlery set for 6 persons instead of 12 last year, and sometimes we are running out of it because the part is always in the dishwasher. But no stress, I'm tending to get the dishwasher ready by the time when we're waking up and refill the drawers and cabinets like the first thing in the morning. And as I'm usually too sleepy for drinking coffee, this uncomplicated task helps my brain to get awake. By the way, does someone know why it's so frightening to take the very last fork out of the drawer? Why would be the drawer needing it? Repair favorite things. This is one of my favorite shirts for the last 5 years. I can't imagine how it got a tear in a very strange part of it, but I would love to wear it also in the future. I had a colleague who said once that she's tossing away the clothes when one button is missing and getting the new ones. But when you have a grand piano at home and it's out of tune, you wouldn't toss it away and buy a new one, right? At least not in the real world.
Do you know I'm looking?
My shirt got now a post-operative scar, but I love it just the same. If it's irreparable, replace. I love purging, but also I love replacing the things. The time when Christian and I moved together into a tiny apartment here in Luxembourg 12 years ago, we introduced the rule 1 in, 1 out when nobody yet spoke about it. Keeping the same amount of things helps to have better overview and develops few time-saving routines, like almost exact amount for make a full load on the laundry day, or a habit to put away the things immediately after the using, because when you have only one of kind, it's nice to find it also the next time. Less things, less stuff to manage and to take care about. On the other hand, if I want to replace 2 dresses, 2 pants and 1 blouse into 5 blue t-shirts, who can stop me? It's my minimalism, and I have to feel comfortable in it. What is your style of minimalism? Share it in the comments. No once a year used items. Okay, we have a box of decor for Christmas tree and 10 paper Easter bunnies, but no special porcelain for Easter, Christmas, Sylvester, birthdays, Valentine's Days, because it takes so much space to store and to manage it.
This moment, can we stay here forever?
To our white plates, I'm adding a festivity with the napkins, flowers, fruits, you name it. It really makes a trick. It's not worth for investing in and keeping something what we are using for one day a year and storing for the rest 364. Especially not having a butler for polish countless silverware and also multipurpose.
Can we stay?
I would probably never be a fan of drinking my beverages out of glass jar for the sake of minimalism, and frankly, I don't feel bad or wasteful about it. I am absolutely visual person, and if something doesn't look aesthetically pleasing for me, it does not improve my life quality. Minimalism is not a religion where you have to suffer all the way or be happy after the end.
Just loving.
But on the other hand, I like multipurpose things if they are functional, saving space and reducing number of belongings I have to manage one way or another. Tiny baking ceramic tins I'm using for serving small fruits or snacks. I'm not baking daily, to be fair, I'm baking just sometimes, but repurposing those things avoids them from being forgotten and covered in cobwebs. Uniformed things. It's a mistake to think once one is a minimalist, they have to dress in black. I'm looking horrible in black. Therefore, I'm avoiding it at any price. My wardrobe is mainly blue and I'm never getting tired of wearing this color. Okay, maybe to some extent. I'm also liking uniformed containers for store the things. I have chosen ones which could be mixed and matched, see-through, and the best part, all lids fitting all containers. So I can rotate the content regarding to the amount of food without reprinting the labels, because it's enough to switch the lids. Easier to store, less chance to go crazy not finding the right lid or finding the right lid without right container. Plastic ones go into the drawer because they are much more lighter than the same size glass ones. Glass jars go into the refrigerator because I'm usually storing leftovers in those. Less choices, less time is wasted for making decisions. We don't need more storage, we need less stuff. Human brain tending to fill empty space with the things, whether we need them or not. More storage we create, more ideas we have what to store in it, instead of enjoying the empty space. Japanese have some term for beauty of it. It gives your eyes a place to rest. So instead of creating more storage for more stuff, 90% of which I wouldn't use, I'm decluttering instead. When I'm reading your comments, we mostly agree on it that it's also such a therapeutic process. And last but not least, I am not spending money on short-term seasonal decor. So A, don't have to store it forgetting about having it. B, don't have to feel bad about not wanting to store it. The bouquet of dahlias is all my input to celebrate this time of year. I am rather opting on long-lasting decor, which we can enjoy regardless to the season for many years to come. Oh, sorry, we got some seasonal decor. It's cutties here. Plenty of it for decorate all the surfaces. To sum it up, it's interesting that we can perfectly live with much less stuff than we think. Less stuff, less burdens to manage and take care about. Much more space for rest the eye and less stress. It's not stressful to be a minimalist, right?